Hello everyone, my name is Nick Vila and I'm a systems engineer here with Red River. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Amazon CloudWatch and providing some helpful how-to tips for anyone who may be new to AWS or anyone who might already be familiar with the platform but may be looking for some other ideas or helpful information in their cloud journey. In this first video, I will go over a few of the many features of Amazon CloudWatch, focusing on dashboards and how they can be helpful tools to get insights into the AWS environment and resources. AWS CloudWatch dashboards are utilized to be a single pane of glass that can be viewed as a customizable homepage to view resources in a single view for things like metrics of resources, performance, network bandwidth, or just general checkups. So to access these CloudWatch dashboards, we're going to first log into the AWS Management Console, which will land us here on the console homepage. From here, in the top search bar where it says search for services, we can click in there and type in the word CloudWatch. The results will show services CloudWatch. Go ahead and click on that, and that'll take you to the CloudWatch interface here. Now, if your CloudWatch interface homepage looks like mine, you might be using the older style interface. You can switch to the interface by selecting the option Try Out New Interface here in the banner, or selecting the Try Out New Interface option over here on the right hand side. And selecting that will take you to the new interface, where now if we select the dashboards option, left hand side, we'll get it presented with the custom or automatic dashboard options. So let's go ahead and select the automatic dashboards. Now these are all dashboards that get generated for you by the AWS service, so your dashboard might look a little different than mine, depending on the services and resources that you have running. What's nice about this is we have an option, for example, EC2, and select that. It will now aggregate all of our EC2 instances for our account and all of the metrics that are available for those instances in the CloudWatch metrics, and it will apply them to this dashboard. We also get a view of any alarms for CloudWatch alarms that are specific to an EC2 instance. They would show up here. Or we can filter by resource groups if we have some predefined tagging standards where certain instances have certain tag key values. So for example, if we wanted to look at CPU utilization, I could come up here and select the two arrows crossing. We'll go ahead and enlarge the graph. And for example, we have options to change the time frame, so I can select the past day from this time point. And now we have all of our EC2 instances CPU utilization average over the past day from right now. And this will work just like any other CloudWatch metric, where we can hover over data points and highlight that EC2 instances metrics. Clicking close or the X, we can come back to our main dashboard here and start looking at other metrics should we want to. So this is a very useful tool to kind of go through any of these services or resources that you want to kind of look at as a whole for the account, look at all the metrics, and go from there. One of the reasons that we would want to utilize the automatic dashboards that are created for us in AWS CloudWatch is that it's one place you can go to, one pane of glass that has all of your services in their categories listed and aggregated for you. And you can drill down into each category of your services that you use within your AWS account and look at the metrics for those services all in one place, and it's already been kind of gathered for you by AWS. If you would like to learn a little bit more about Amazon CloudWatch, please feel free to watch the rest of the how-to videos from this series. And if you've completed watching all these how-to videos and would like to learn a little bit more or find out how Red River can help you with your cloud services, please reach out to us here at Red River. Thank you.